All right. Hey, everyone. We'll let people file in here before we get started in a couple of minutes. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. So thank you all for coming to the Building Future Ready Voice Solutions webinar. This is part one of a three-part series. And today we'll be talking about the basics of what to consider when choosing a voice provider. I'm Marlo Vernon. I am the Product Marketing Manager for Voice API and SIP Trunking here at Telnyx, and I'm joined by Philip, our Solutions Engineer, and Joao, our Product Manager. And today we'll cover some of the trends we're seeing in 2024 when it comes to voice communications, and then we'll get into three different important factors when considering a voice provider, such as coverage, redundancy, and call quality. Then we'll go over some common questions and then open up the floor for Q&A. If you have a question, go ahead and type it in the Q&A box and we'll get to it at the end of the webinar. Also, this is being recorded and it will be sent out via email in the next couple of days. All right. So let's get into some of the trends in voice communications. So while chat has become more and more popular, phone calls still remain a preferred way to reach colleagues or businesses. According to a UC Today article, 69% of employees say voice communications strengthen their relationships with their colleagues, and 65% of consumers still expect to be able to reach a business over the phone. So voice solutions remain important when it comes to collaboration and support. For trends we're seeing in 2024, remote and hybrid work still remain prominent. So that means employees need high quality voice solutions to connect and collaborate with each other. Also, we are moving more and more towards an API-driven approach. So we need scalable, customizable, and efficient telephony capabilities that can be seamlessly integrated into applications and services that we're already using. And then finally, there's artificial intelligence. AI can assist with improving customer experiences, help improve call quality, and can even transcribe and translate conversations in real time. So embracing these advancements in technology is critical to succeeding nowadays, but you want to make sure that you've set the foundation first, which is why we are focusing on the basics today. So what should your telephony infrastructure have so that you can build an innovative solution at the application layer? So I'll hand it over to Philip now to talk about coverage and redundancy.
Awesome. Thanks, Marlo. Talking about coverage, let's cover the three main topics for coverage. You want to go to the next slide? Oh, perfect. PSTN replacement, numbers, and compliance. So under PSTN replacement, what is PSTN replacement? It's essentially the ability to offer full-featured telephony services on our numbers. So that's inbound and outbound local calling, being able to do emergency services, being able to port in and port out numbers through those services, and then being able to offer essentially the same level of service that you get from a local carrier in that country. Today, we have 47 countries with PSTN replacement, 140 countries with local numbers. So with PSTN replacement, you get those full featured numbers. You can do faxing, you can do emergency calling, you can do inbound and outbound local calling as well. Essentially, analog equipment was typically required for PSTN, and that's now outdated. And now it's phased out all around the world. Using a VoIP service like Telnyx, you have the capability of using PSTN equivalent phone numbers with your newer equipment. For phone numbers, we are a licensed carrier, so we have the ability to get and provision numbers locally in different countries. So we have local numbers, toll-free numbers, national numbers, and mobile numbers in many countries globally. It's all API driven, so we take a very much of an API driven approach that allows customers to be able to pull number requirements, provision those numbers, and then allocate them to SIP trunks. And then from a compliance standpoint, we handle shake and stir for you transparently in the US, and US and Canada. So increase your trust in voice communications, being able to pass over through an identity header through your existing token or have Telnyx handle shake and stir for you. Number porting, seamlessly transition your customers or your customers' numbers over to Telnyx as the provider without changing your phone numbers. So we have the capability of doing number porting through an API or through the portal itself. And then E911 ensures the caller location is sent to emergency responders. We have E911 registration handled directly through an API as well as through the portal. So we're handling compliance. Mm-hmm. Next slide, thank you. Redundancy. So in redundancy, we're going to be covering three main topics as we did in coverage. And those topics are cloud-based communications, points of presence, and carrier-grade redundancy. Cloud-based voice communications, multi-cloud bare metal infrastructure ensures improved redundancy because we are a global carrier and we offer connectivity, both voice and SMS connectivity globally. We have to have points of presence in different countries. So currently we have cloud and multi-cloud and bare metal. So we have our own bare metal in some countries, and we also have we leverage different clouds. So AWS, Google, Azure, and IBM SoftLayer across all our regions to be able to provide you cloud-based voice communications. We're a cloud-native organization that leverages cloud technologies and practices. From a points of presence perspective, we have global points of presence in over 4 continents, geographically distributed, service mitigating regional disruptions. So we have the capability of being able to have failover in different points of presence globally. Carrier grade redundancy, we take multi-carrier approach by partnering with multiple carriers. We can dynamically route your calls to the most efficient, stable path through our points of presence and through our telephony stack.
Okay.
Marlo, I'll pass it over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Another factor to consider when choosing a voice provider is call quality. And a question to ask can be, do they operate on a private network or public network? Several providers send traffic over the public internet, which can open it up for security issues and increased latency. At Telnyx, we have privately owned fiber interconnects between POPs and carriers, providing a private highway for your data traffic, fortifying security and allowing for low latency communications. We are also one of the only providers that offers HD voice codecs that improve call quality without the latency of a narrowband codec. We've actually had a lot of companies switching to Telnyx for our HD voice codecs who are building conversational AI. In addition, another feature that can improve call quality is noise suppression. This allows you to have clear calls from anywhere. So like I said before, remote work is still prominent. So you want to be able to connect with your colleagues or customers from anywhere, whether it's a noisy coffee shop or windy city. Noise suppression lets you have those conversations without distracting noises in the background. And then for both HD voice codecs and noise suppression, these better inputs result in more natural and accurate conversational AI interactions. And this is available at Telnyx via voice API and SIP trunking. And then lastly, visibility tools. So being able to monitor call quality. At Telnex, we have the Mission Control portal where you can go in and use the debugging tools yourself. So there's no need to open a ticket or jump on a call with a third party to solve issues. You can troubleshoot them yourself right in the Mission Control portal and fix them yourself and fix issues faster. Okay, so now we have some common questions here. So I'll ask and then maybe Joao, Philip can answer them. So can I keep my existing phone number from a different provider when joining Telnex?
Um, yeah. So a caller ID, trust on the caller ID is very important. So we do allow customers to use their own phone number from a different provider with Telnyx service, but we provide a manual mechanism and an API to confirm, to basically perform a number verification to make sure that the users are the owner of the numbers. In that way, we can apply trust on the caller ID and allow the user to use their existing phone numbers from different providers.
Awesome. I know Philip talked about this a little bit before, but is Telnex compliant with Shake and Stir?
Yes, on the origination and termination. So on the termination, sending outbound calls to PSTN, Telnyx numbers will have an A attestation, and any customer with numbers that previously had a B or C attestation on that provider, when they port the number to Telnyx, they will receive an A attestation. Also, customers can send their own identity headers, which we will then verify and send them to PSTN on the origination. So on the PSTN calls to Telnyx, we process the identity header and we pass the validation to the customer so that they can choose if they want what is the best course of action on the call.
Thank you. How can I keep track of my SIP trunking spending?
So Marlo mentioned the Mission Control portal, which is a powerful tool for our users. So we provide detailed reporting. We have dedicated dashboards. We have the troubleshooting, the debugging tool that allows that allows customers to basically check what's going on their call. So they will be able to understand if there is a misconfiguration or something. Besides that, we have multiple options that we can provide to our customers so that they can either define the pay-as-you-go approach, or they can select some other options like channels that will allow them to have fixed costs with a fixed capacity.
Awesome. And then lastly, do I need my own E911 provider?
No, this is something that Telnyx SIP trunking provides outside of the box. We support E911 service on the US and Canada. We have multiple products. We are integrated. We have full compatibility with Microsoft Direct Routing and Operator Connect. And we have products, dedicated products for E911, like dynamic location routing. And we also have the static emergency service, which allows customers to define an address, and whenever they make a call with that number, that address will be sent to the first responders.
Perfect. Thanks, Joao. Okay, now I'll open it up for Q&A. So if you have a question, go ahead and just type it in the Q&A box and we will get to it. Short and sweet today. No questions so far, so we will just wait a minute and see if any come in.
So I can keep talking about frequently asked questions. I didn't want to add too much, and I didn't want to cut time to our audience. But a frequently asked question is about the HT voice codec. Is our newest addition to our feature portfolio, and it's been having a lot of success due to the fact that Marlon mentioned. So where can you enable or where can you get HD voice? So HD voice, we can provide HD voice where basically our PSTN carriers also support HD voice, and mainly what we are seeing up until now is that in the US it's more commonly to have providers with HD voice capacity, which uses the AMR wideband codec. But you can also achieve HD voice in some countries when you choose numbers from certain countries. You can have this HD voice functionality because again, it's dependent on the carrier that we are using and making the calls to and from.
Thank you. We have a question here from Jimmy. Do you provide all standard call center functions and features such as barge, monitor, live calls, extension, etc.?
Yeah, so I can answer this. On the actual voice API that we have, our programmable voice product, we do support barge, monitoring live calls, extensions, etc. That is something that you can build using through the use of conferencing and assigning something called supervisor roles to different participants within a conference. You can have barge, you can have different folks with different supervisor roles, so monitoring, barging, or being able to whisper as well. In terms of these call center functions, a lot of these need to be integrated from a SIP trunking standpoint. They need to be integrated using either the off-the-shelf product or a custom SPC. So it could be something like 3CX or another PBX like Vicom, something along the lines of something to be able to support that on our SIP trunking product.
Nice, thank you. And then we also have, can you talk about the Microsoft Teams direct routing integration? How can E911 be used with Microsoft Teams?
Sure, I can take this one. So basically, we are seamlessly integrated with Microsoft Teams regarding direct routing. A user on Microsoft Teams, Teams admin will set up an address and it will associate to a number in Teams. And when that number makes a call through Telnyx, they will use the PIT-flow protocol to send that information address into us, and we will route that. We will pick up that information about the address and we will route to the proper PSAP. Now, regarding the Teams itself, there are many implementations. And this is about the local or the customer IT team. Some teams on Microsoft Teams, they make configurations on their Teams instance to align, for instance, the network address with a specific geographical address, right? And that way they can have their customers, if they are logging in from an office in Chicago, the network address, the network VLAN that will be picked up will be from Chicago, and then the address that will be dynamically appended on the call will be from Chicago. If they move to a Dallas office, the IT admin will have that or can apply that configuration, and the same logic is applied. But in what concerns Telnyx in our integration, we will receive the address from Microsoft Teams in a PIT-flow format, and then with that information, we will route to the proper PSAP.
Thank you. Okay, can you explain short calls and what are the best practices to eliminate high numbers of them?
think I can take that. I mean, if by short calls, it's short call duration, right? So, well, as a carrier, of course, this is frowned upon. As a carrier, we have metrics that allow us to identify this type of traffic, and then we qualify our traffic and our customers. So we tend to avoid this type of traffic, and we have a team of customer success managers that will work with the customer to try to either improve the quality of their traffic, because there are many reasons for these short call durations to happen, right? So either the process that are being used are not the correct ones. Either they start we've seen very many examples, some customers starting with a voice message presenting themselves. This is something that is picked up on the other side as being a robocall, so it's immediately disconnected. So as a carrier, we have the mechanism to identify these patterns, and then we talk with the customers and try to help them have longer calls, because that's on our interest, and for sure it's also in the interest of the customer. I don't know if Philip, if you want to add something else.
No, I think you answered that really well. Going on to the next question here from Jimmy, what does the voice and SMS interface look like? Can the user perform SMS in same interface? Typically, we rely on a lot of our integrations with different providers, I should say, PBX providers and telephony solutions. I'm not going to name any today. We can reference our developer documentation and our configuration documentation to provide you some solutions that offer SMS integration directly. Today, we support SMS via our SMS HTTP API to do a custom integration, or through SMPP. A lot of folks that are in the space have built an integration with our SMS API directly. So look out for some of those configuration guides in our developer center. And then from
But
a voice standpoint, we have configuration guides for SIP trunking integrations as well. Joao, if you want to add on to that.
No, yeah, it's not clear to me when the Jimmy is asking the SMS interface. I mean, you can do all that on our mission control portal, right? So you have the graphical interface to do all the configurations. I don't know if that was the question, because then to send calls or to send SMS, then you use the APIs that Philip was mentioning. Maybe if you could elaborate a little bit, we can provide a more accurate.
Yeah, absolutely. So the configuration of the messaging profiles and all the different phone numbers and assigning phone numbers to our messaging service can be done through our API or through the portal itself. The configuration of actually physically sending a text message has to be done through an SMS API or through something called SMPP, which is it's a different communication mechanism to be able to send and receive text messages. So through those two standards, we do support sending and receiving text messages, but the actual configuration of the phone numbers, assigning them to messaging profiles, and then being able to do the compliance component, which we won't go into too much depth here, but 10DLC, that can be done through the Telnyx mission control portal. Absolutely. And I think the last question here, what does the voice and SMS interface look like? Again, we can send you some example videos demonstrating this and actually walking you through what that interface looks like, Jimmy. So we'll actually send you documentation and some video demo examples that will allow you to kind of give you an idea what the interface looks like for provisioning SMS and voice.
Yeah, definitely. Perfect. Yep. And Jimmy, I typed an answer to you, but yes, feel free to go to telnyx.com slash contact us, and you can definitely get a one-on-one demo. Are there any other questions? Okay. Is there a plan for native SMS integration with Microsoft Teams via direct routing, if possible?
I'll let Joel cover this partially. To my knowledge, Microsoft Teams Direct Routing does not offer SMS integration with third parties at this point. It's not something that is a Telnyx limitation to my knowledge. It is a limitation on Microsoft Teams directly. So the way that Microsoft Team has allowed two-way communication via SMS is through the use of third-party applications and extensions built into the Microsoft Teams application store. They haven't released an official guide yet on native SMS.
Yeah, that's correct. So yeah, I mean, again, we have tight integration with direct routing. We have the operator connects, and Microsoft made a great effort and a great job opening that up to voice carriers. On the SMS part, it's not so open up until now. So yeah, we have those constraints.
Mhm. Okay. Any other questions going once, going twice? Okay. If that's it, then I will leave you with these resources that you can look at. If you want to try Telnyx for yourself, go ahead and go to telnyx.com/sign up for a free Mission Control portal account. We also have our dev docs at developers.telnyx.com and our GitHub repo and our support center at support.telnyx.com. And then we have demos, insights, blogs at our resource center at telnyx.com/resources. Yep, and Jimmy, we will send out in our follow-up email some demos. And like I said, you can go to telnyx.com/contact us and say that you were in this webinar. If you want to talk to us, we'd love to hear from you. And yep, thank you so much. Everyone have a great day.
Take care, folks.
Yep,
Thank you. Bye.
bye.